Well, hello, awesome people, and welcome back to my Yes Branding Success YouTube channel. And if this is your first time meeting me, I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and online branding strategist. And on this channel, you will get tips and tools and strategies on how to build and brand and grow your business and have a strong online presence. So if you're here today, you want to know the answer to the key question, Marsha, how can I build my online presence and get customers when everybody is online right now? What can I do to put at least one of my products or one of my ideas online? So if you want to know the answer to those questions, you're in the right place. Stay tuned. So hi guys, this is Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and branding strategist. So today my question is from a few clients is, Marsha, how can I build my business online and put something online, one of my products for my business, to grow my business or even get income at this time when everybody's online? So I would like to say to you, as a business owner, entrepreneur, someone who's trying to build your business and trying to generate revenue at a time like this when we're in a place where everybody's online, everybody's on home, how can you come up with one idea from your business and put it online and generate income from it? Well, you have to sit down and think about the different avenues of your business. What did you do offline before everybody had to be at home? For instance, what I did offline, I teach at the college, so I teach writing. I teach social media strategies for small business owners. I would go face to face and do that. I would give talks to lunch and learn events. I would go to networking functions and I would meet people. I also did training, social media training face to face. I would meet people in my office and have consultations. So you have to think about, okay, all of these things, write those things down. These are the things I did offline. What can I do from any of those online to generate revenue? Even if it's just one thing that you could do. For me, I could take almost all of those and put them online. So what I've done to generate income online, now instead of going to teach face to face, I am teaching writing classes online. I'm teaching those to students online. So that's one thing that I was doing offline that I've taken online to generate income. Secondly, I'm doing Zoom meetings and webinars. Whereas I would go and meet people in person, now I'm doing Zoom meetings and webinars from home. Consultations, I would meet people at my office and we would have consultations on, how can they get on social media, how can they brand, how do I get started with Facebook? Well, now I can do those consultations virtually from home and generate income. So what I've done is I've taken my offline services and put them online to generate income. So how does that relate to you? You have to think of something that you can do. Maybe you can write a book or a short ebook, put it online, sell it. Maybe you can offer consultation services from your industry, offer those consultations, put it online, sell them. Maybe you can offer training, take that training and put it online. Maybe you have a product or a course or something that you can sell online. So you have to think about, what can I do that I was doing offline and now I can generate income? So you want to think about, what is it that I was doing offline that I could possibly turn it into something that I could do online and get revenue from it? What is it in your industry that you think you could turn it to something online and promote it and let people know about it and generate income. So when my clients think of that one thing, then I tell them this is how you put it online and this is how you get it out there so that you can get people to purchase it. Well, the first thing is you have to brand yourself. In other words, you have to introduce yourself online. You got to have a good presence. Get a schedule, start a presence. And then secondly, you have to market yourself through either social media, a blogging, email. So branding is different from marketing. Branding is the voice, introducing yourself online. Marketing is the avenue that you're going to put the voice out. And then thirdly, you have to start building relationships with people, because rarely do people just open up their pocketbook and start giving you money. So if you can think of something that you were doing offline that you can turn it into a revenue for you online. I think we all have a book inside of us, whether it's an ebook, and you might say, well, Marsha, you're a writer, you can do that. I don't know how to do that. Well, get a person to help you write it. Get someone from Fiverr to help you put a little book together, an ebook. You just want to provide value. So even if you made a 10-page ebook full of value, that's something that people would buy. Even if you offer your consultation services, 60-minute consultation services, where you're teaching people something from your industry, that's providing value. You can sell that. So even if you develop an online product or a course or something, I always say, sit down, get some brainstorming time, think of some things, be creative, come up with at least one great idea, put some action behind it, and make it happen. So I hope that this has been helpful to you. I know that you can take one idea from your business and turn it to something where you can put it online and generate revenue from it. So guys, if you like tips, tools, and strategies that I give on this channel, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification button, and every time I give a video on training, tips, tools, strategies for you as a business owner, and that's what I do, and I always share from my experiences things that are working for me as a business owner, you will get a notification. So until next time, guys, don't forget I have a lot of freebies at our library online at my site, MarshaLynnHudson.com. I got all kinds of freebies there. They're great on blogging, email marketing, branding, everything. So go over to MarshaLynnHudson.com and grab some of those freebies, and I hope you will join me in saying yes to branding success.